Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Man of Constant Sorrow. First, let's master the foundational chords. You'll need to learn G major, C major, and D major. These three open chords form the backbone of the entire song. Take your time to ensure each chord shape is clean and every note rings out clearly. Practice switching between them slowly, building muscle memory for smooth transitions. This initial step is crucial for a solid performance. Now that you have the chords down, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A common and effective pattern for this song is down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this rhythm slowly at first, ensuring your hand maintains a consistent motion. The goal is to keep a steady beat, making sure each strum is even and clear. This consistent rhythm will give the song its characteristic feel and drive. With your chords and strumming in place, it's time to integrate the vocal melody. Begin by singing the lyrics along with your playing, focusing on how the words align with the chord changes. The song typically follows a verse-chorus structure, so practice each section individually. Pay close attention to the timing, ensuring your voice and instrument work together seamlessly. This step brings the song to life. Consistent practice is key to mastering Man of Constant Sorrow. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to playing through the song. Use a metronome to help you maintain a steady tempo and improve your timing accuracy. Once comfortable, try experimenting with different speeds and dynamics to add your own unique interpretation. Remember, patience and persistence will lead to a rewarding performance of this classic tune.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.